Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi and what to do if you run into common connection issues. Once the connection test passes, your PS5 will be online and ready for gaming. To get started, open Settings on your PS5, go to Network, then select Settings and choose Set Up Internet Connection. When asked, select Use Wi-Fi, then choose Easy Setup. Your PS5 will scan for available networks, find your Xfinity Wi-Fi name and select it. Enter your Xfinity Wi-Fi password carefully using the on-screen keyboard. If your network requires additional sign-in, a web page may appear asking for authentication. You can complete this using the PS5 browser or through the Xfinity app on your phone. If you see a white screen or error code 403, restart both your PS5 and Xfinity router, then try again. If you experience frequent disconnects, this is often caused by compatibility issues between IPv4 and IPv6. The PlayStation Network still relies heavily on IPv4, while newer Xfinity routers prefer IPv6. Keeping your PS5 system software and router firmware updated helps reduce these issues. For better stability, consider using a Wi-Fi extender with an Ethernet port or connecting through your own router instead of the Xfinity provided one.